Hi. Let's do the planking part of the day. It's day 36, 37. I don't know, something like that, in my 100-day challenge. And I have been doing about 2-minute planks. I made it up to 2.5 minutes one day. I know I'm crouched down to see you in here. And anyway, challenge you to see if you can beat me. I'm going to start on the 30-second mark of this video, coming up in 3, 2, 1. There we go. And I'm going to focus on just breathing deeply for at least 2 minutes, hopefully. See if you can beat me. All right, I'm calling it there at 24. That's 2:24, I think I made it. All right, it's pretty good. Better than yesterday. If you didn't do as well, or if you're still going, go, go, go. Remember that it's not about comparing yourself to others. It's about giving yourself a little love, a little time. That takes about 2 minutes to do some strengthening. It's one of my favorite ways to do that. A while back, I lost almost all my arm strength. Well, all of it for a few weeks. And it's been a long couple of years to regain my strength. And so it means a lot to me to be able to do that for 2 minutes. 36 or so days ago when I started this challenge to myself, I could do 1 minute. So it's been improving almost every day. Sometimes it's a cha-cha-cha, a little bit backwards, a little bit forwards. So again, I encourage you to be good to yourself, follow yourself, compare yourself to yourself, and give yourself a break today. Love yourself a little bit more. Let me know in the comments if you care to share what your time was. Where'd you get to? Tell me a little bit about you. I'd love to know. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. Check out the description for a link to this, a book about this mega sculpture all around me that I built with these 2 hands. If you're interested, it's called the Head Hutt with 2 T's. Here's one of the versions of the book. You can find it on Amazon. Thank you if you do. And until next time, stay amazing, stay free. Ciao for now.